High in the misty hills of Sintra stands a castle unlike any other, where vibrant colors, romantic architecture, and breathtaking views blend into pure magic. This is Pena Palace, Portugal's most beautiful castle. A masterpiece that looks painted on the sky, it's a fairy tale brought to life, where every tower, dome, and wall tells a story of dreams and devotion.
Perched atop the lush Sintra Mountains, Pena Palace reigns as one of Europe's most extraordinary landmarks. Built in the 19th century by King Ferdinand II, it embodies the heart of the Romantic era, a celebration of art, imagination, and love for beauty. From above, the castle dazzles with its kaleidoscope of colors, vivid reds, deep yellows, and soft blues that shine against the surrounding greenery. It's a sight that feels both surreal and enchanting, as if the palace itself were part of the clouds that drift through the hills of Sintra. King Ferdinand envisioned Pena not as a fortress, but as a palace of dreams, a place where architecture and nature could exist in perfect harmony. The design combines Gothic, Moorish, Manueline, and Renaissance influences, creating a whimsical masterpiece that defies convention. Every arch, tile, and terrace feels alive with creativity and passion.
As the drone glides across the landscape, you can see the contrast between the bright palace and the dense emerald forests of the Sintra-Cascais Natural Park. Beyond the trees, the Atlantic Ocean shimmers on the horizon, completing this perfect Portuguese panorama. Inside, Pena Palace is just as magical. Intricate carvings, painted ceilings, and royal chambers that once echoed with music and laughter. Each detail reflects the king's artistic spirit and his deep love for Queen Maria II. Today, Pena Palace stands proudly as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, drawing visitors from across the globe. Whether wrapped in morning fog or glowing under sunset light, it remains one of the most breathtaking symbols of Portugal's soul.
Pena Palace is more than just Portugal's most beautiful castle. It's a living fairy tale, a fusion of history, art, and imagination. From its colorful towers to the sweeping Sintra hills below, every view feels like a dream. If this magical journey inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking adventures from above.